YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger, and in today's video I'm going to be flipping this $1 account to 1000. Yeah, I'm going to try my best to flip it to 1000. So for those of you that are new, do well to like, comment and subscribe. Click on the bell notification so whenever I release a new video, and also my giveaway is already out, so use the link on my video description to reach out to me, all right, to participate. Okay, let's get right into the video. Now we have a setup on AUDUSD. Now since we are using a very small account, we are starting with very small account, we have to take trades with the very little risk as possible. All right, so that's going to be where my stop loss will be at 0.50 cents, because I have just $1. So I'm trying to utilize this particular setup, and if this trade doesn't go well, this will be the end of the account, right? The beginning is the end, but let's wait and see, because this is actually a very beautiful setup. I don't have to think too much, I don't have to stress myself. I've already seen what I need to see. All right, so as you guys can see, it was a very powerful move by AUDUSD, very nice move, and we got ourselves $3 in profit. Okay, got ourselves $3 in profit, which is nice for a start, very nice. And our TP was hit, so I actually held until the TP was hit because I saw a bullish momentum right from that engulfing candle. Okay, so we'll be heading on to the other trade, to the next trade at this point, which is GBPJPY. So GBPJPY has given us a liquidity grab or a sweep at this point. So this has given me a condition for my trade, and the condition right now is to sell by all means. All right, sell by all means. So that will be my first TP right there. This will be my first TP, and yeah, this will also be my second TP. This will be my second TP. That weak rejection there, but it's far, it's very far, so I don't think I'm gonna hold to the second TP. But the first TP is my best in this situation, so I'll be adding more sales, because once the trade start moving your direction, you can add more sales, because I entered very small. I entered a small amount from the beginning, so I will have more margin for me to enter more trades. Okay, so this is actually my first TP. It's very close. This is the 15 minutes time frame, so I will need to wait for some time. And there's my second TP right there. But let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see how it's gonna go. All right, so as you guys can see, our second TP was hit, but the market reversed. So yeah, the market reversed, but anyways, it's all good. I'm happy with this. It's very nice. The trade actually makes sense, and it's a small account, so I don't wish for fortune at this point, right? $12 is okay. I can boost that up a bit, right? So we are starting very small, and we are moving, we are having progress, okay, which is very solid for us. Without having progress, we cannot trade more. We don't have that confidence to trade again. But because of the progress we are seeing from trades, we can keep trading, right? So as you guys can see, we have a trend line right here. So this is a third touch. So the third touch has not been touched. Okay, so meaning the market wants to go there. So I'm actually buying a retracement right now. I'm buying a retracement because initially the market is bearish, right? The market is bearish, and we are having a falling wedge pattern right here. So which means the market is going to go up, but because of the trend of the market is bearish, I'll have to buying the retracement. So buying with care, okay, because this is a retracement. The market can go down at any time. The market can just decide to follow the trend at any time, so you have to be very careful when trading retracement. All right, so this is for gold, and you know what gold does. Gold is very silly sometimes, but the retracement actually makes sense. At the end of the day, the market just went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. Like, it was so crazy, but at the end of the day, we were able to flip this, because when the market came down, I was like, came back to my entry, I was like, what is this? Like, God, I don't really understand. But as soon as the market came back to my entry, and then it went all the way up again, so I was already losing interest already in this trade because of what the market is doing. You see, the market came back to my TP and it's retesting and it's going back up, but I don't want to wait. You get the point? I don't want to wait at all. And the whole trade is so fucking insane. I don't really know, but no need. I will just have to wait for another day to trade gold. First day was bad, but I pray this one will be better or even the best. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are at a flip zone level. We are at a flip zone level right now. So what is gonna happen is we are trying to buy right now. Okay, that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to buy right now. So the market right now is having a very nice pattern. Alright, it's having a very nice pattern because currently that's our TP level right there. So since you're having that TP at this point, look at it right there. Okay, that's our TP level. So we're having $61 right now. We're having $61 right now. So there is a buy. Our setup, our stop loss is going to be below that level right there. Our stop loss is going to be below that level, as you guys can see. Okay, now we have a very beautiful trade, so we'll just utilize all of it. Okay, I'm utilizing all of this because of what I am seeing, so I have no choice than to utilize it because this last trade was very bad. You know, it gave me a lot of losing profits. But this time around, gold went smooth. This is the reaction I needed from the first trade. This is the reaction I needed from the first trade. I want you to go smooth. Just give me that move, that bullish move, or that particular move that I'm looking for. Okay, that sweet move, of course. That was exactly what God gave me today. So it's very nice and I'm happy. Yes, so finally gold has done what I've been waiting for. So I will have to trade other pairs because currently there is no setup on gold right now. So I'll be trading other pairs and I'll be looking forward to more beautiful pairs, because yeah, session is almost at risk, at stake right now. So I will need to utilize a new pair. All right, so we are at USDJPY. So currently you see this is a supply zone and the market just reacted to it. Now this is a perfect time for me to take my trade. Perfect time for me to take my trade. And you guys know I take my trade very simple and very precise. I take my trade at the right time. I don't just jump in and decide, oh, this and that. I work on sessions. I work on timing. Okay, so right now we have some few bucks to spare for this trade. We have some few bucks to spare, so I'm already using my calculated risk management technique on this, which I always use. So I'll be on the safer side regardless. Okay, so I will just use small lot size so I can accumulate more position. All right, let's see how the trade plays out because damn. All right, very beautiful, as you guys can see, very beautiful. All right, we have $500 on our bank right now. You know, close, man, close. They don't want me to close. You must be joking. All right, so it's a very beautiful trade. Look at the momentum from that candle. Very nice, very beautiful. All right, I love trades like this, very smooth. If you want to go up, just go up. If you want to go down, just go down. Don't play with me. Stop making me stress my brain. Stop making me stress my brain. I don't want to stress my brain. I want to be focused with smooth moves, right? So it's a very beautiful trade once again from USDJPY. So like I said, let me go look for another pair to trade. All right, so this is EURUSD. I've not traded EURUSD for a long time because of the slow attitude from EURUSD, but this is a very beautiful setup that I don't want to miss. Right, so this is our tap right there. It's a fake out, so which means the market's gonna go down. That is what I have seen right here. So I'm gonna draw my TP. This is actually the first TP. So, and this is the TP that I'm gonna hold because it's far. This is a 5 minutes time frame, so I'm not gonna wait for that long. Let's say an hour or two, or even an hour or some minutes, depending on what happens, because the market can, go straight up anytime. So I need to be very vigilant because we are 50% of our goal accomplished. So I need to be very vigilant. Anything I do here is either going to tear this account or is either going to grow this account. So I will have to wait and be very, very vigilant. I will need to wait for every candlestick to close. I'll be staring at the chart for a long time. So yeah, just to protect everything and just make sure that I'm on the safer side. Okay, all right, let's see what the market does. I'm already going full margin, so like I said, it's either the market goes against me or it goes with me, and I pray it goes with me, because what I'm seeing right now, the market's already giving us that sweetness, that move, that sweetness is coming. So let's wait to enjoy. Bang, of course, sweet moves, like I always say, right? Sweet moves, sweet moves, sweet moves. I need this. We're always at $1,000 already. Don't play with me. Just go down there and give me this shit. Wait. Nah, I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna take no for an answer. Give me that. Go down there and give me this. Give me the profit. Give me this profit. You must. It's a must. Yes. Very good. Yes. All right. So this is the end of the video, and hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, the giveaway is already up. And if you want to reach out to me, use the link on my video description. Mentorship, account management, VIP services, and orders is also there as well. So just reach out to me and tell me what you want, and also we can discuss other things as well. Anyways, I love you guys. It's still your boy Zamba, Lion FS Gang. Peace.
Custom on the beat.
Damn, David.
Had to take a little leave for the bitch. Had to tell her she gonna recruit.